Hola, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make an Afro beat. In Afro Studio Mobile. So now I'm gonna put this thing together, this loop together. Producer's language. Now after this, I'm gonna add some drums. So now let's go look for some drums. On Afro dance whole file, I'm gonna do drum loops. Now the BPM of this loop is not the same as the other one, so I'm just gonna unstretch this one. And now, if you think about Chere like I'm doing, not all drum loops is gonna sound good on other melody loops.